Hello children, this is chapter 4 for standard 6 grammar and chapter name is negative questions. So we have done so far, I have given you up to chapter 3 videos. I hope you have completed the answers of the questions which I have all asked you to do. You complete that work. In case any doubt you can ask me. Now we'll start this new chapter, interrogative negative questions. We can make the negative question by putting the adverb not after the subject. Let's see the first question. Example here. He went to school yesterday. This question is in simple past tense. So went is there. So we will make it with did. Did we will put the auxiliary verb before the subject. Did he go? It will become go. First form of the verb went. So it will go. Go to school yesterday. So we can make negative. Did he not go to school yesterday? So not will come after the subject. We can also make the shortened form. Didn't he go to school yesterday? So let's see the exercise questions page. So this is the first question. Rewrite the following sentence in the interrogative negative with both the shortened and unshortened forms, putting the shortened forms in the brackets. Example is given. Tom likes English grammar. Does, it is in simple present tense. Does Tom not? Then in the shortened form you have to write in the bracket, doesn't Tom like English grammar? Question mark. So let's have a look on all the answers I have written. You can go through this and write in the copy. Answer number 2. Did they not? Put the shortened form in the bracket. Didn't they come by plane? Have these people not, or haven't these people been here before? Did they not, or didn't they go to the pictures last night? Here it question mark will come. Does she not, or doesn't she like mountain climbing? Did his mother not, or didn't his mother visit Kashmir last year? Will Miss Helen not? Will short form is want. Will not short form is want. So want Miss Helen attend the party? Shall we not? And the shall not short form is shan't. Shan't we be able to catch the train? Ninth answer. Would she not? Short form is wouldn't she like to come with us? 10th answer. Have they not, or haven't they gone to the concert? Now look at the answers. Look the answers of question B on page number 16. Here you have to express the statement in the form of negative questions. You have to make the negative questions. Let's see the answers to these questions. Doesn't Sheila like ice cream? Aren't they working hard? Isn't it raining heavily? Isn't it very hot today? Isn't she much better today? Isn't she feeling well today? Hasn't that girl got a sweet voice? Were not those boys very rude to the old lady? Wasn't there a strong wind last night? Isn't she very pretty to look at? So I hope you got all the answers. You can write in your classwork copy and go through the lessons, revise, read and revise. Thank you.